Dose. Triple dose.
Patch your bash. It's wired out of like a sweet 16 party. Jury stable shit. Nothing but yum. Tight. Perfect. Pussy.
We'll fight him 7 his own party.
Holy shit! Run! No! No! Holy shit! Run! Run! Run!
Salutations, gentlemen. Venus Van Dam at your pleasure.
Venus.
It's not gonna happen.
Really?
You jealous type?
Okay. You're bad. Tech.
Come on, let's get him to the desk.
Why does this always happen to me?
Jesus Christ.
What do you think?
I think whoever bit him should be wearing a collar on his
Check. You know, stitch me up your dog.
Will you give him a local? I'll go get ready.
Sure. Yeah, all right.
On 3, 1.
Ready? Michael, is that what you mean? Going through?
No, it's good you think.
I don't know if it's good or bad, but I'm totally hard right now.
Well, he ain't gonna like some tranny humper at his sit-down.
What'd you say?
What, man? You think people don't know you suck dick?
Mulehead. I think you owe me an apology.
Are you kidding me? If you were in this crew, you'd get your dick shot off, you ass-raping freak.
Like that?
Where are you going?
Chips, that! Come on! What's up? Shit kicking! I'm in! Whoa! Where the hell you go? Shit!
Hey guys, listen, I gotta tell you, it's been a lot of fun. Really gotta go. Listen, all right?
I just want to thank you for everything, and hopefully we